Welcome to Coastal 101. I'm John Kelly. Anytime you're securing fence posts, you have a few options on how to secure them in place. Let's take a look and see how it's done. If you're only putting in a few posts, a manual post hole digger works great. Our guys are using a fence post driver. They're ready to go the minute they go into the ground. If you don't have a driver, you'll want to use a post hole digger and a tractor attachment available at Coastal. When digging, be sure your holes are 3 times wider than the post. The depth of the hole should be equal 1/3 the total height of the fence. If you're doing a 6-foot fence, your hole would need to be about 2 feet and your post would be 8 feet high. If you have a lot of posts to put in, try using a fence post pounder or hire a local fence company to get them installed. They'll go up much faster and be ready to go that much quicker. When it comes to making your life easier on your property, your Northwest owned and operated Coastal has you covered. That includes automatic gate openers, fencing tools, and workwear. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you later.